Hey guys, today let's learn to listen to WhatsApp voice message without the sender knowing. So in the case that you want to go ahead and basically access a specific message on WhatsApp, which is a voice message, but you don't want the sender knowing that you have read their message. Well, easily you could do this. I'm going to go ahead and tap voice and basically record a voice message here real quick, and I'm going to send it to them right now. But of course, if you want to listen to this voice message, if the sender has sent it to you, all we need to do so that they won't know that we have already listened to it is, of course, before tapping on that message, I want you to just turn off your Wi-Fi and all of your connections, tap on the message, listen to it, play it, and then from there, we can actually now listen to the message. Of course, since we're still offline, we could still have some bandwidth to listen to that message, but they won't know that we have to listen to it. Of course, the next time we go ahead online on WhatsApp, it will get delivered that we have already listened to their voice message. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.